Main sources of secondary data. So what is secondary data? Secondary data are those data which already has been collected by someone and it is used by others. So most of the investigators make use of secondary data in their respective studies, and the main sources of secondary data can be broadly classified under two important heads. They are number 1, published sources. Now under the published sources we have various source of published data. Number 1, government publications. So government from time to time put out publications, and they are one of the major sources of secondary data. Various important departments of governments regularly collect and publish their data, which are very useful and reliable for us. Some of the important government publications are the Statistical Abstract of India, then we have the 5-year plans, which is now changed to Niti Aayog, economic surveys, RBI bulletins, Census of India, National Sample Survey, etc. So these are the various sources of government publications. Number 2, semi-government publications. The semi-government publications includes various local bodies such as municipal committees, corporations, panchayats, etc. Number 3, international publications. Other than that, we have another source in the form of international publications, and one example is such of that the Statistical Yearbook, an important annual UN publication, is a source of international publications and data. It contains useful statistical information on socio-economic topics for various countries of the world. Another examples include Demographic Yearbook, epidemiological and vital records. Important, they are data, and they are published by World Health Organization or WHO. Number 4, private publications. Under the private publications, we have stock exchanges, Institute of Chartered Accounts, labor unions, annual reports of joint stock companies, etc. Then we have lastly research publications. So research institutions and individuals also publish their research work, which becomes secondary data for us, and it is very much helpful in providing data. So publications of universities, research institutions and individuals fall in this category. So this is one of the important head, that is published sources. The second important source is unpublished source. So under unpublished source, we have secondary data are also available from unpublished sources because all statistical material is not always published. For example, information recorded in various government and private offices, studies made by research institutions, scholars, etc. can be important sources of secondary data. So this two constitutes the main important source of secondary data, and they are published source and unpublished source.